Viewers, today I'm working on my 86 944 turbo. The sun visor clips broke and today I'm going to replace them. I got these replacement ones on Amazon for a few bucks and they're pretty easy to replace. Take off the old one, move the visor out of the way, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two Phillips head screws that hold the clip in place. Once you have the old clip removed, you want to remove the washers, and they slide right in these little slots on the new clip. So slide each one in, and now you're ready to fasten it. It's not often you get repairs that easy to do on a 30-year-old car, but that's how you do the sun visor clips.